Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
In this country, closed banks, we have serious issues of insecurity. Just a couple of days back, there was this clash in Plateau. Over 100 plus lives were lost. Now, why do we keep on having these clashes? Why do we keep on having these deaths caused by ourselves? A couple of weeks back, the Chudunbiri issue is still fresh with us. Now, the one on the Plateau. We always condemn such things, but after condemning such activities by these bandits and criminals, what's next? What are the roles of the government who are supposed to protect our lives and property? Why can't we be proactive? Stop such attacks before they happen. What happened to our intelligence gathering mechanisms? Anybody tell me that nobody knew such attacks were coming on in various places, whether it's in Sokoto or it's in Kabi or it's in Kaduna or anywhere? Have we lost our sense of gathering information to avert any of such heinous crimes? We must ask our government to up the game, because these bandits are always a step ahead. For some of us who are opportune to have served in the military,